The ezW2 2025 version introduces a new Direct e-file feature for federal returns, perfect for users who don't have an SSA User ID or simply want to save time. Step 1. Before you submit anything, take a moment to double-check your W2 and W3 forms for accuracy. Make sure all key information such as employee names, SSNs, company name, and EIN is accurate. We recommend printing a few forms to catch any recurring data issues early. Next, if you don't already have a customer account, go ahead and register for one. You'll need it to upload your forms and track their filing status. Finally, purchase the e-file credits for the total number of forms you'll be filing. For example, if you're submitting 10 Form W2 forms, you'll just need 10 e-file credits in total. Step 2. Submitting forms to the SSA. On the e-file screen, you do not need to create e-file document to upload to SSA by yourself. Just click e-file with HalfPriceSoft to submit your forms. Our system will securely transmit your forms to the SSA through our registered user ID and SSA account automatically. After uploading your forms, log into your customer account anytime to monitor your filing status. You'll typically get an initial notification, an acknowledgement of receipt, within a few hours to 2 business days. However, receiving the final acceptance or decline notice can take 1 to 6 weeks. You will also receive an email notification once your submission is accepted or rejected. If you need help, click the Help menu for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page on the HalfPriceSoft website. Make tax season stress-free with ezW2. Download the free demo today and see how easy it is to prepare, print, and e-file your W2 forms directly to the SSA.